welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to share this hair tutorial with you guys, and it's this really beautiful, sophisticated low bun hairstyle. I am in love with not only the way that this hairstyle looks, I think that it's super timeless, but you guys, it is so simple to do. So let's get started. For this tutorial, I will be using 2 hair elastics. You want nice and strong ones. They don't have to be cute because they are going to be hidden, so don't worry. We'll be doing a little bit of pinning, so you'll want to have some bobby pins. And then go ahead and part your hair as normal, and you want to make sure that you have a nice clean part. I just use the end of a comb to make sure that my part is nice and straight. First step, you just want to create a nice, smooth, tight, low ponytail for that sophisticated look. I find using a comb is the easiest way to give you that nice, smooth finish. You want your ponytail to sit about 3 fingers above the nape of your neck so that your bun doesn't rub against your shirt throughout the day. Tie it off with your hair elastic, and if you want to create some volume, take the end of your comb and just slide it under your hair right at the crown of your head, and you just want to pull upwards a little bit. As you can see here, it makes a subtle difference, but I think it helps pull together the whole look. To give our bun more structure, separate the top quarter of your ponytail and toss it out of the way. And you just want to tease that remaining hair. I don't particularly like teasing my hair, so if you just tease in an upwards motion, it will create less damage with minimal knotting while still giving us just enough volume. Especially if you have thinner hair, this step is quite helpful to create fullness. So as you can see, it's not super teased, but just enough to help add additional volume. Now take that second elastic, wrap it around the ponytail, and try to keep everything relatively smooth. And when you do that last twist, you just want to ensure that you're twisting your elastic right at the top of your ponytail. You can see how that cross is right at the top. That's what you want. So before I create my bun, I'm just going to go ahead and smooth down that top section so that it lays nice and flat. So grab your ponytail, and we're going to partially pull it through to create our bun. Try to pull it through as symmetrically as possible so that everything lays nice and smooth. And it's easier to make your bun larger than smaller, so once you've pulled it through, you can always adjust it if your bun is looking a little too small. Okay, so this is the fun part. Grab that remaining hair at the bottom and divide it into 2. If you have less than me, don't worry, this is still going to work. Take your left section and wrap it up and over that elastic. I gave mine a little twist just to help create more dimension. Since we're working with our ends, don't wrap it too loosely, you don't want them poking out, and you can always loosen it up later. I continued wrapping mine behind that second section, and you just want to pin your ends so that they are hidden. I just placed 1 pin for now to hold it in place. And then I'm going to take my right section and I'm going to wrap it up and over our first section, and again giving it a slight twist. There are so many ways you could do this. You could do braids, tight twists, or even just one big twist would be beautiful. Get creative with it, let me know what you do. Then pin the ends behind the section so that they are hidden, and add any additional pins to secure everything into place. And then take some styling cream or pomade and smooth away any flyaways. So there we have it, you guys. That's how easy it is to create this sophisticated low bun. I just love this hairstyle, and it comes out great every single time. I was so excited to share this hairstyle with you guys because I think that it's great for formal events, it'd be great for date night, and I think it's perfect for work as well. But I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget, if you recreate this look, tag me on Instagram so that I can see it. I love seeing your guys' recreations so much. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!